Madden franchise is responsible for hours and hours and hours of my life. When I was much younger, I'm talking about like 9, 10, 11, 12, I would set the difficulty to easy, put it on 12-minute quarters, and play for literally 4 or 5 hours because I had nothing to do in the summer. But what I want to do in this video is I want to show you 5 different ways that you can actually make money with Madden 23. We're going to take a look at examples. We're going to look at how we can get traffic and get in front of people that are interested, and then we can talk about all the ways that you can make money. So watch this video if you want to learn how to monetize one of the most popular games out there in the world. Hello, my name's Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from stand mixers to security cameras, sound bars, microwaves, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for a free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already own. So like I said, in this video, we're going to take a look at Madden 23. It's coming out in about a month from now, and we're going to look at all the different ways that you can get in front of people that are already interested in this game, and there are literally millions of people interested in this game. We're going to look at different traffic sources. We're going to then take a look at least 5 different ways that you can monetize your enjoyment of the game. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, if we look at my computer here, I've just typed in Madden 23 into YouTube, and you can see that the top result here has 103,000 views, and it was just uploaded yesterday. This YouTube channel is called Eric Rayweather. Yep, Eric Rayweather. He has 440,000 subscribers, and he creates content about, it looks like, just the Madden franchise. But the cool thing is, and the reason why I want to do this video, is this is a good opportunity for you to start a YouTube channel and talk about Madden 23. If we come up to the search bar here and we just type in Madden 23 and hit the space bar, you can see that people are creating all sorts of content and asking all sorts of questions about this brand new gameplay. And as we get closer to the release date, there are going to be more and more people interested in this product. And so what you can do is simply just create content answering these questions. And it doesn't just work over on YouTube. You can do the same thing with Twitter. If we look at Twitter, I typed in Madden 23, and once again, if we hit the space bar, you can see people are asking about the beta code for both PlayStation and Xbox. There are over 420 tweets within the last hour or so that are dedicated just to Madden 23 beta Xbox. And so you can see people are basically interested in this type of content in all sorts of platforms. If we take a look at TikTok, once again, this video here has over 1.1 million views. It's from Instasmart, and he's talking about Madden 23. So you can pick any traffic source, and when I mean traffic source, where people are already hanging out, different websites where people are already hanging out, apps, Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, like that. And you can simply create content. This video right here talks about Madden 23 preview, and it has 177,000 views. Now, you can simply do the exact same thing. Go to Madden 23, hit the space bar. Once again, people are looking up all sorts of things when it comes to Madden 23. So you can be a tiny YouTuber or TikTok or whatever it may be, and you can create content and get in front of people that are interested, and then you can turn that into money. So if we look at Madden 23 leaks, once again, 131,000 views, 199,000 views, and these videos weren't uploaded too long ago. And you can be a teeny tiny viewer and start making money by getting traffic. So again, this works for any traffic source. And the reason why this works right now is because it's a brand new game and the popularity is going to increase. You can build a following quickly, and then once you have that following, you can start monetizing. Now, you can start monetizing your following with 1 follower or 1 subscriber. The most important thing that you need to do is you need to take action and start creating content. If you want to make money, you have to create content. And the best way to figure out the type of content to create is come up to YouTube, Madden 23, hit the space bar, and you can see that people are asking all sorts of questions. This is traditionally called keyword research, but right now we're just looking to see what people are interested in. And what you can do is simply go through each letter of the alphabet to figure out what people want to know. So if we do Madden B, you can see people are going to be interested in Madden Beta, like that. For some reason it's not working, but you can see Madden 23, all sorts of stuff. And if we just do Madden 23 news, which is going to be probably the easiest way to go, because you can simply just create updates on new things that you find, and you can potentially start making money there. So now that we know that we can get traffic as a teeny tiny micro, no viewers, no subscribers, let's talk about some of the different ways that we could potentially. So one of the best ways that you can make money is with affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, you are simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. In this instance, you are going to be recommending and selling things that are going to work out well with Madden 23. And so obviously one of the first things that you could promote is the actual video game. So you'd want to put a link to the video game in the description. Now, the largest affiliate program out there is Amazon Associates. So you could join Amazon Associates today by going to type in Amazon.com like this, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. The cool thing with Amazon is you can promote things other than just the video game. So let me show you what I would do if I were trying to make money with Madden 23. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to click on Become an Affiliate. When you click on Become an Affiliate, it's going to help you sign up. And one of the things that you're going to need is you're going to need a website, a YouTube channel, or an app. So go through that process and sign up. Now what you can do is you can think about all the things that people that are interested in playing video games, things that they need. For example, we can think of a gaming chair, okay? And if we hit enter, you're going to see there are a bunch of gaming chairs. You could recommend any of these gaming chairs. Now with Amazon, you are going to earn a commission between 3 and 10% for the products that you recommend. But think about everything that you need when it comes to playing video games. You want a comfortable chair. You may want a gaming desk if they're playing on their computer. There might be a special keyboard, a special mouse. All of those things you can recommend. Now, there are thousands of affiliate programs. For example, Razer had an affiliate program at one point. Razer affiliate program like this, and if there is a company that you want to work with, the easiest way to figure out if they have an affiliate program is just type the name of the company that you want to work with and then affiliate program afterward. As you can see, they have an affiliate program and you can recommend some of their products and make money. You can say they offer a 3% commission on sales. So that is just one way, is with affiliate marketing. Now, the key to affiliate marketing is recommending products that are going to be congruent or in line with what the customer wants and needs. If they're interested in playing video games, you are going to want to recommend like a special headset, a computer, gaming mouse, gaming chair, things of that nature. Don't recommend, basket weaving if you are talking to people about gaming, but that's just one way. The second way that I really like is actually selling a digital product. Yes, you could sell a digital product about Madden. If you know how to rank your ultimate team quickly without cheating, you could put together a simple blueprint and sell that blueprint for $10 or $15. It's actually really easy. Now think about it. Whenever you went to GameStop or Walmart or Target years ago, they would have those books, those guides for like Mortal Kombat, where they would give you the different they would give you the different character traits and how to do special moves and things of that nature. You could essentially put together a digital product that does the exact same thing. You can teach people how to level up their ultimate team quickly. You can teach people how to win the Super Bowl on ultimate level. You package that up and sell it, and you can put that in the link of your YouTube videos. You can put that in the description of your TikTok. And you can make money because there are going to be people that want to learn how to up level their skills so that they can beat their friends and even potentially make money with it. So the second way that I really like is actually with digital products. And creating a digital product is actually really, really easy. You can create a digital product in a weekend. You can create a digital product and you can create like a very the lowest viable product and then continue to add to it over time, and you can potentially make a decent amount of money. Again, you don't need a large following to do this stuff. You just need to take action. But creating a digital product is number 2. Number 3 are brand deals and sponsorships. Brand deals and sponsorships are in-video promotion where the YouTuber or the influencer will say, hey, this video is brought to you by NVIDIA. NVIDIA has the best gaming chips known to man. Click the link below for a 20% discount on all NVIDIA products. Now, in order to start seeing these types of brand deals and sponsorships, you probably need about 5,000 to 10,000 followers or subscribers on YouTube. But this is another way to make money and you don't need to really do anything other than just play video games. But you can start to see here, you could put together a decent income starting with Madden, and then over time, you can add in different video games if that's what you want to do. After brand deals and sponsorships is the YouTube Partner Program. Now, most likely, this channel right here is part of the YouTube Partner Program. Whoops. This channel right here is part of the YouTube Partner Program. With the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to be eligible. Once you're eligible, you can apply. But with affiliate marketing, with creating a digital product, you don't need any followers or subscribers. You can actually start that from day one. You have to meet the requirements, apply, and then it takes about a week to hear back, but that can be a great way to make money. Now with the YouTube Partner Program, you're not going to make a ton of money up front unless you have hundreds of thousands of views. So just be aware that it doesn't just all of a sudden, it isn't this windfall of money. It does take a little bit of time. After the YouTube Partner Program, you can also start a Patreon or a YouTube memberships. And basically with a Patreon or YouTube memberships, you are going to offer more content to your followers and your fans essentially. You can do live chats, you can do Let's Plays, we can do We Plays. You just offer even more content, and you build a special or a stronger connection. And the cool thing with Patreons is you can start with like $5 per month, and it's reoccurring. So every single month, as long as they are members, you make money off of the same people. But just to run through it real quick, you can make money with affiliate marketing, which is probably my first or second, a digital product, which is my first or second, brand deal sponsorships, which again, you'll need about maybe like 5,000 subscribers to start seeing some interest, YouTube Partner Program, and starting a Patreon. Now that you know those 5 ways, click the first link in the description for my free cheat sheet to make money online with products that you have lying around your house. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start to learn more. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.